In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a board. Whether you've outgrown your board's current name, a rebrand is in the works, or you simply want something more descriptive and reflective of your project's purpose. Renaming a board is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific board you'd like to rename. This is a crucial first step as you'll be making changes directly to this board. You can easily find your board through your dashboard or by searching for it if you have numerous boards to manage. Once you've located it, go ahead and click to enter the board. You'll see all your tasks, projects, and details laid out, just as you're used to. It's essential to ensure that this is indeed the board you want to rename, as making changes is several clicks away from being undone. Now, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You're looking for a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. This menu contains several options for customization and adjusting the board's settings. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. As you explore these options, don't be overwhelmed. Each option serves a unique purpose, and today, we're specifically interested in one of them. Once the drop-down menu is open, locate the option that says Rename. This is the feature that will allow you to change your board's name. Selecting it will prompt a pop-up or a text field where the current name of your board is displayed. Here is where the magic happens. Click into this field and you'll be able to start typing. If you know your new board name already, simply type it in. Remember to be descriptive but concise. A good board name is one that encapsulates its purpose, making it instantly recognizable to you and your team. After typing in the new name, take a moment to double-check your spelling and formatting. This might seem like an unnecessary step, but it's always a good idea to ensure that your changes reflect the professional tone you want to convey. Once everything looks good, you can either hit the Enter key or click outside of the text field to finalize your changes. And that's it. Your board is now renamed. Anyone with access to the board will see the updated name the next time they log in. Keep in mind that while the name change is instant on your end, it might take a few moments to update across all devices and users, especially if your team is spread out over different time zones or using various devices. Thank you for joining me today as we navigated through the simple process of renaming a board. I hope you found this guide helpful and empowering. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions or need further assistance with your project management tools. Remember, staying organized is key to productivity and success.